Hi everyone. Okay, I am so obsessed with these Dutch paws, so I'm gonna do another one. It's gonna be much bigger. This is a 40 by 80 centimeters, which would make it, wait a second, 40, what is it, 25, 30. Okay, I'll put it in the description. My brain just won't do the conversion just now. But yeah, it's quite a lot bigger than the ones I've been doing up to date. Okay, so let's have a look at the colours. This is the order I'll be laying them down on, in the middle, in a puddle. My base is a Payne's Grey. Lovely colour to have as a base. Is, you know, obviously not quite as stark as a oxide black or whatever, some black. It does give it a bit more interest, in my opinion. So the colors, the first one is just straight Amsterdam pearl white. I mix all my paints with European Floetrol, or Overtrol as it's called, and distilled water. So yeah, that's just a pearl white. Just gonna give it a little tiny shake, make sure there's no separation in the bottle. Okay, and then my dark blue. Okay, this is a Liquitex phthalo blue mixed with DecoArt Metallics Deep Sapphire. Gorgeous color, and the two, they just make a really nice dark blue color. Okay, and then the medium blue. This one here is again Liquitex phthalo blue. I like using it because it's a single pigment color, so you're not gonna get any surprises when you're mixing it. And also Liquitex titanium white. And this is mixed then with Amsterdam pearl blue. And somebody remarked with the last one that it does seem to give it an almost interference sort of appearance, and I agree, it's a beautiful mix. Okay, next in goes my gold, and this is a mix of Amsterdam deep gold and DecoArt Metallics 24 karat gold. I like to mix the two because the DecoArt 24 karat is a bit intense, and the Amsterdam deep gold is, you know, even though it's a nice rich gold color, it can be a little bit dull perhaps. So the two again make a real nice combo. Okay, and then my light blue or baby blue. This is Liquitex phthalo blue again, and the titanium white, and it's just mixed straight 1-to-1, and it gives it that nice real light baby blue color. Okay, and like I said, my base, which I have a whole bucket of. I was busy mixing this morning. So yeah, I'm just gonna start laying down my base. It'll take me a hot minute to get there. So yeah, what I'll do is I'll pop some music on for you, and probably speed up this video. We don't want you to have to sit here all day. So yeah, I'll speak to you in a bit.
She didn't love you back, all she did was leave a hole in your chest. You didn't get that job, even though you really gave it your best. And now you're wondering what's the point of anything at all. But let me tell you what, that's just life putting you through the test. Before the dawn, it's always dark. Before the light, there is a tunnel. Before you run, you gotta stumble. When you fall in love, but it don't work out. When you've cried at least 100 times. When you feel so stuck, but you can't get out. Just remember, there will come what the future holds, nobody knows till the race is all won. So if you're wondering what's the point of anything at all? It's to live your life, live it right now, 'cause you only get one. Before the dawn, it's always dark. Before the light, there is a tunnel. Before you run, you gotta stumble. When you fall in love, but it don't work out. When you've cried at least 100 times. When you feel so stuck, but you can't get out. Just remember, there will come a day when it all works out, and you didn't even have to try. You will find a way if you hold on now, and remember that the only way is up from here. The only way is up from When you fall in love, but it don't work out. When you've cried at least 100 times. When you feel so stuck and you can't get out. Just remember, ooh, there will come a day when it all works out, and you didn't even have to try. You will find a way if you hold on now, and remember that the only way is up from here. She didn't love you back, all she did was leave a hole in your chest. You didn't get that job, even though you really gave it your best. And now you're wondering what's the point of anything at all? But let me tell you what, that's just life putting you through the test. Before the dawn, it's always dark. Before the light, there is a tunnel. Before you run, you gotta stumble. When you fall in love, but it don't work out. When you've cried at least 100 times. When you feel so stuck, but you can't get out. Just remember, there will come a day when it all works out, and you didn't even have to try. You will find a way if you hold on now, and remember that the only way is up from here. You say you're getting old, but what do you know about what's to come? 'Cause what the future holds, nobody knows till the race is all won.
Okay, I think I'm done with this. Right, so I decided I didn't like this middle bit anyway, so decided to blow it out a little bit. But I like it. I think it's actually really cool. I'll bring you in for a close-up, and I'm not gonna try and make this center even, because it kind of looks like a portal opening, or something really quite funky. And I love these colors. So yeah, I'm gonna do a little bit of cleanup, and I'll bring you in for a close-up. Okay, so let's look at the wet results. I love it. I think it's so cool. Let me just try and get it to focus. Not that many cells actually, a few, but that's okay. See the center, see what I mean? It's like looking into another universe. I love that. And the gold and the blue, oh, they are just gorgeous together. They really, really are. So yeah, I'm gonna leave this to dry, and day or two, I'll show you the dried results. Until then, bye. I think this one dried beautifully. Yes, it is quite different from the last one I did. For some reason, there's hardly any cells. I mean, stuff like that is pretty much all there is to it. But I love the center. Look at it. It's like, you know, a portal to another dimension, in my opinion. And the gold is, with the 3 different blues, the gold is just gorgeous right there. And this is without a flash. So yeah, all in all, I think this was a huge success, and I love this larger size. But I'd love to hear what you think, so drop me a comment and leave me a thumbs up, and if you haven't already, please subscribe. But most of all, thanks so much for joining me today. I'll see you soon. Bye.